Alright, Average Joe family. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of a novelty item, some bracelets that I got from a distributor. The communication was great, and obviously this distributor is from Alibaba. I do a lot of my samples and buys from Alibaba, and part of this channel is just showing you the pros and cons of buying your bulk items, whether it's clothing, novelty items from Alibaba. But once again, this is a bracelet that I brought from Alibaba, and the distributor was great with communication. They sent the item out really quickly. I got it probably in less than 5 working days. So I'm really excited to open this up with you guys for the first time, as well as show you the items. So let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Going to open this bad boy up once again. This is a box of gold. So we're going to see how this turned out. Hopefully the sample comes out well, and then we'll be able to place the bulk order. And it looks like I may have cut the box a little there, but it's all good because this is just a sample item. So as you can see, they sent the sample in a pretty decent box. Looks like we have a little bit more cutting to do to get this bad boy open. There we go. Alright. We wrap this thing up tight. Okay. Pretty good packaging. These are the bracelets, and as you can see, they're looking pretty good. Oh man, really good quality. As you can see, these are the lava bead bracelets, and they came out really good. I'm really satisfied with the elasticity. I can't talk. I'm pretty good with how this stretches. They look awesome. Black and blue beads, as you can see, and this one is just a regular black and blue. As we get to this one here, now this one has some weight. Those are going to be snakes or dragons, and we'll try to get the camera to focus in a second. There we go. Snakes or dragons, and once again, man, this came out really good. The quality looks good. I'm definitely satisfied with the quality, and this looks like another win for a distributor who was able to deliver on their product. So let's get a on the wrist look at it. All right, so this is a on the wrist look at the product here, and I'm really impressed once again with the quality of the product. As you can see, once again, I'm going to go with 2 snake heads. This little circle has a notch in there that you can basically just kind of clip on, if you can see that. I don't think you'll be able to see it, but you can clip on, get it on your wrist, so you won't be able to fit this over your fist as you can do this one. You know, this can fit over the wrist, and then boom, you know, you're on, you're in there, you're ready to rock and roll. This one is a little different. You have to slip it off and on, do the little lever here, and I might not be able to get it, but as you can see, it opens up there and you just slide it on. So both of these products came out really well. Once again, I'm definitely satisfied with the quality, and this is a winner, guys. So in ending, guys, this product was a home run. The bracelets came out as perfect as you can ask for. These are 12 millimeter beads, so kind of very big on the wrist. Reminds you of the monk beads, but nevertheless, the titanium dragons were awesome. That particular bracelet also has a lot of weight to it, so this is a very good quality product. I hope that this video helped you guys if you were kind of on the fence about ordering from a distributor for your accessories from Alibaba.com. You know, just check it out. All you can do is ask for a sample, get the sample, and then you can make your judgment. A lot of Alibaba.com is trial and error. Obviously, some companies and distributors, quality of material and craftsmanship is better than others, and the only way to find out is to basically order the sample and make your own judgment. Once again, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video about the accessories from Alibaba.com. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment.